YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today, we are going to dive into some Bitcoin. We're going to dive into some Toshi Coin. But before we do that, guys, I got to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J, and we just talk about things that are trending in Bitcoin. So at the end of the day, you got to go off and speak to somebody else when it comes down to financial decisions. Do not make any financial decisions based off this video. As you guys can see, though, total market cap coming in at 2.4 trillion. Fear greed index ticking all the way down to a 15. Yikes. We are in some extreme fear right now. That says exactly what it says. It says extreme fear. As you can see, too, our market cap just bleeding, down 3%. Yikes. Bitcoin coming in at a 80 or at a 76.4, just breaking down, capitulating left and right. People want to know, when is Bitcoin going to see a bottom, if ever? Trump talking about new tariffs on China, everything going crazy, market going crazy, people thinking it's the end of the world. What's going on? Seems like 81% of people still bullish on Bitcoin, though, and 19% of people bearish. You guys do see the new tariff policies that are being talked about. It's the number one thing being talked about, right? But let's look at some of these other guys, what they're thinking. Cryptos R Us is on here. This guy's saying that Bitcoin is struggling to stay above that 80K range. You guys could see that was 11 hours ago. It dropped down. Somebody said 76K. They said that on the 6th. That was 2 days ago. He was right. Nice call. But the question is, are we going to keep going down, or are we going to start finding a bottom soon? That's what everybody wants to know. Let's talk about it. We talk about possibilities. We talk about probabilities. We talk about some Bitcoin. Let's pull up the chart right here and see what we got going on. Some of these smaller time intervals, right? See what we got going on here. Pull this up. Our calendar channels. You guys can see Bitcoin coming in pretty close to some key support now on the 1 day. If we see a little more sell-off, I wouldn't be surprised. The 1 hour looking like yikes. Oh man, we might see some sell-off happen pretty soon, guys. I don't know. We might see this happen even going into this evening. We might see this thing really sell off, I'd assume. Probably the rest of this week is going to look pretty bad going into the weekend. I'd assume that we'd be probably pretty close to that 68K range, probably even by this weekend, even possibly. No, maybe like 72. Maybe we consolidate. Maybe we bounce around up and down in here. But again, this is not good. Definitely not good. It's not a good look for Bitcoin. The 1 hour is not looking hot. The 3 hour also looking like we might start seeing the market break down a little bit further as well. Oh man. Yeah, a lot of these charts looking like we might start seeing some sell off on Bitcoin. But again, only time will tell. Only time will tell. Nobody knows. Nobody's a fortune teller, but at the same time, again, this is nasty pattern forming right here. Indicator that we need to start seeing some lower levels on Bitcoin. I want to know exactly how low. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Also, you guys can see a lot of these other coins right now starting to dump too alongside the market. Again, a lot of coins, including Ethereum, almost coming close to my price prediction. I said 1,200 to 1,100. Ethereum's already at 1,400. You guys believe that? XRP also coming in at $1.78. So that guy that said that 185 was a support, sorry guy, you're wrong. Solana also coming in at 104. I'm actually surprised that Solana's holding so good. That's pretty interesting. I wonder why Solana's holding up so much better than a lot of the rest of the market. I guess people holding on to their poo-poo coins. They don't want to get rid of those poo-poo coins quite yet, but they're quick to get rid of that Ethereum. You see how they are? You see how they are? But again, a lot of coins seeing a big price impact in the past 24 hours, including Toshi Coin. You guys could see down 10% right now. Still coming in at 91 million. It hasn't moved too much. I mean, the past 6 hours since the last video, we're only down like 2%, and I think that's how much we were down before. So haven't seen much within the past couple hours on Toshi in terms of volume, but again, the market looking the way that it looks, we got to be careful. If we just break down another leg, we might start seeing some more sell-off in the market. In my opinion, this could probably go on the next couple of days, like I said. Of course, nobody knows the future, right? So that's just a prediction that I have. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're not yet tapped in on Patreon, guys, join in over on Patreon. We're growing fast over there. We do have a Telegram. Also, if you guys are not yet tapped into the Telegram, you can become a member of the Telegram by joining the Patreon. And we have a lot of training in there, a lot of stuff, whether you're brand new to cryptocurrency or whether you've been in cryptocurrency a long time. A lot of stuff in there to help you guys take it to the next level. That's what we're all about here, guys. We're all about taking it to the next level. I'm going to keep giving you guys the Toshi Coin updates as the time goes on. Of course, Bitcoin looking highly volatile going into this Tuesday. We do talk about those early in the week fake outs though, right, guys? So hopefully we weren't taken too by surprise. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know your price predictions again on Toshi in the comment sections below. And also let me know what you think the floor price will be on Bitcoin. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.